If you're struggling with weak legs that make it harder to move around or stay independent, you're not alone. But the good news is, there's something you can do about it. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple yet powerful exercises that can help strengthen your legs in just 10 days. These exercises are designed for seniors or anyone dealing with weak legs, arthritis, or recovering from injuries. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment, just a towel and a resistance band. So, stick around and let's get started on building stronger, more confident legs. Now, before we dive into the exercises, let me explain something important. When we talk about building stronger legs, many people think it's all about building bigger muscles, but that's not the case here. Instead, we're focusing on improving something called the mind-muscle connection. This is all about how well your brain communicates with your muscles through a system called the neural network. Think of it like a signal. A stronger neural connection means your muscles can perform better, even if they don't get bigger. This is why people with smaller muscles can sometimes be surprisingly strong. They've got a stronger neural network. And on the flip side, even if your muscles look fine, a weak connection can make them feel unresponsive. The good news: these exercises are designed to wake up those connections, improve your strength, and help your legs work better, no matter what your age or fitness level. Let's get started. 1. Inner range quads exercise. Let's start with the first exercise, the inner range quads exercise. This is a fantastic way to activate and strengthen the muscles on the front of your thighs, your quadriceps. Strengthening these muscles helps with everyday activities like standing up, walking, and even climbing stairs. Here's how to do it. Start by lying on your back and place a rolled-up towel under one of your knees. The knee should be slightly bent when it's resting on the towel. That's by design to properly engage the quads. Gently push your knee down into the towel while lifting your foot and toes towards you. As you do this, squeeze the muscles at the front of your thigh as hard as you can. Really try to focus on contracting those muscles, as it's all about building that mind-muscle connection. Hold the squeeze for 5 seconds, then relax and return to the starting position. Repeat this process for 15 reps in a row. Aim for 3 sets a day, spreading them out to help build frequency and consistency. Even if you're starting from a place of weakness, this exercise will help you reconnect with your quads and get them fired again. Don't be discouraged if it feels tough at first. That's a sign it's working. With consistent practice, you'll start to notice improvements in how your legs feel and move. It's about progress, not perfection, so stick with it. 2. Straight leg raise. Now let's move on to the second exercise, the straight leg raise. This one builds on the first exercise by adding a movement component, which not only activates the quadriceps, but also engages your hip flexors for even better results. Here's how to do it. Start by lying down on your back again. Bend one knee while keeping the other leg straight. The straight leg is the one we'll be working on. First, press the straight leg into the floor or bed and pull your toes up towards you. This will activate your quads, just like in the previous exercise. Then slowly lift the straight leg up until it's in line with the bent knee. Hold it there for a moment, keep the muscle engaged, and then slowly lower it back down with control. As you do this, focus on maintaining tension in the thigh muscles throughout the movement. You're aiming for smooth, steady lifts rather than jerky or rushed movements. Start with 10 repetitions per set and try to complete 3 sets per day. Like the first exercise, you can increase the frequency to speed up your progress. By practicing this, you'll not only strengthen your quads, but also improve stability in your hips, both of which are key to stronger legs and better mobility. 3. Straight leg raise with resistance band. Now, for the third and final exercise, we're going to take things up a notch with the straight leg raise using a resistance band. This exercise builds on the previous one, adding resistance to making your quads work even harder, helping to accelerate your strength gains. Here's how to do it. Start by lying on your back, keeping both legs straight. To keep your back supported, gently press it into the bed or floor. Wrap a resistance band around your ankles. It's important to use a band with light resistance, as you don't want it to be too strong at this stage. Now press one leg down into the floor or bed and pull your toes up towards you. With your banded leg, slowly raise it up until it's about in line with your other thigh, just like in the previous exercise. Hold that position for a second, then slowly lower your leg back down with control. While doing this exercise, make sure to keep the tension on the band throughout the movement. Focus on squeezing the quads and connecting with those muscles as you lift and lower your leg. The resistance from the band adds an extra challenge to your muscles, which helps to build strength faster. Aim for 10 repetitions per set and try to complete this exercise 2 to 3 times a day. With regular practice, you'll notice a significant improvement in both your muscle strength and your overall leg stability. In just 10 days, these exercises will help you feel more mobile and independent. By now, you've learned 3 simple but effective exercises to strengthen your legs in just 10 days. But what can you expect after consistently doing these exercises? First, you should notice a gradual improvement in your muscle activation and strength. Even if you've been dealing with weakness or pain, these exercises help to reestablish that mind-muscle connection. That's the key to getting your legs to work better, even without building massive muscles. So, don't be surprised if you feel a bit of fatigue in your quads or hips after the first few days. This means you're doing it right. Within just a week or 2, you'll likely experience less stiffness and discomfort in your legs. The neural connections we're targeting in these exercises will allow your muscles to work more efficiently, helping you move with greater ease. You might find yourself standing up and walking with less effort, and even simple tasks like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair could start feeling easier. Now, while you may not notice huge changes overnight, remember that even small improvements are a sign of progress. Strengthening your legs is a process, and the key to success is consistency. Stick with these exercises for the full 10 days, and you'll be amazed by the difference in how your legs feel. And don't forget, it's important to listen to your body. If you experience pain, not to be confused with muscle fatigue, take a step back and consult with your doctor. It's crucial to make sure these exercises are right for you. Lastly, I want to encourage you to keep pushing forward. You've already taken the first step by watching this video and committing to your leg health. You can absolutely make a difference in how your legs feel, and these exercises are a great way to get started. Stay consistent, and in just 10 days, you'll feel stronger, more mobile, and more confident than ever. I hope this helps you on your journey to stronger legs. You're not just strengthening muscles. You're taking back your independence and enhancing your quality of life. Keep it up, and in 10 days, you'll see just how much progress you can make. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to start building stronger legs, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful exercises and tips for staying strong and active as you age. I'd love to hear about your progress, so drop a comment below and let me know how these exercises work for you.